Yo, what's up guys? It's me, Matthew here. And today we're opening some badge packs here. So, I earned these from the solo challenges. You should try it out. Alright, here we go. Are you guys ready? Alright, let's open this 2 badge pack. Alright, we got a bronze badge and another bronze badge. Okay, let's open another one. And we got another bronze badge for both. Well, that's okay. Now we're gonna open these 3 badge packs and hopefully they're better. Alright, so far they're both bronze, hopefully. This one will be another bronze. So far, all of them are bronze, but that's okay. We can keep trying. If we get another, if all of these are bronze right here. Oh, silver! Another silver! I'm so happy! Yay! Yay! Now we get to open 1 rookie pack. Alright, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you all next time.